So I had this orange cosmos growing over the summer, and it gave us a lot of beautiful flowers. And it's almost end of the summers, and you can see that the leaves are not that green, and some of the leaves are just drying up. So that means that this is end of the season for this cosmos. So far, whenever I used to see spent flower, I'll just snip it off so that it promotes more blooms. But now it is end of the season, so I want to collect seeds. So I'm not snipping off any of the spent flower. So you can see so many of these just lying around because I'm waiting for these to dry up, and then I want to collect seeds. So let me show you a close up. So if you look at this, you can see that it is still green. No, there are seeds inside, but the whole thing is green. So it is not ready to be picked yet. If you look at this one, you can see the seeds are becoming black. So this is ready to be picked because they are already opening up. If you delay, then they will just drop, and then you won't be able to collect. So you just want to pinch it. I'm not able to pluck it, so I'll just cut it. So here it is. So like this is one seed. Some of the seeds are dry, you can see these black thin ones, and rest of the seeds are still a little bit green. So I'm going to just leave it here. I'm going to find more which are like that, which are almost black. Like here is another one. You can see some black seeds there. So it's ready. Then sometimes I have seen that birds really like these seeds. So as they start to dry up, they'll hang on these branches and they'll just eat them away. So if that's the case, then you want to pick them a little bit early, because otherwise you won't get any seeds. So if you look at this one is again, the seeds are getting darker in color, so it is ready. So I have picked 3 flowers here, and now you leave this in a shaded area inside somewhere, and within a few days they will dry up. So I did this already, and I cut so many flowers, and look at this. Let me just carefully pick one. I'll show you. So look at this. So the whole pod opens up like this, and there is husk there, and there is these black seeds. So that's what you want to collect. So if you just touch them, they come apart. So this whole thing, this green thing, will open up like this. I'll show you another one just to. So again, this I picked up, it opened up, and then it just comes up. Here, the same thing. So this thing, it opens up like this, and then you just press them gently and all the seeds come apart. So that's what you want to do. So all these black seeds which are already dry, they are ready to be stored. So I'm going to just put them in a small Ziploc, and I label them, and then I am set for the next year. So this is what I do for all my plants. I try to save seeds from the flowers so that next season I don't have to go out and buy seeds. I just take out my stash and I am ready to go. So I hope this video was inspirational enough for you to save your own seeds for the next season. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.